welcome to another shop talk. Really excited today to show you finally my router sled, which I've been working on the design for ages. Just haven't had the time to get all the bits together and finish it. Finally got it working. I'm going to do a much more in-depth, sure there's going to be loads of questions on this. I'm going to do a much more in-depth when I get the thing actually done. This is kind of in prototype stage, if you like. It's not quite how I want it. So I'll do much more in-depth build video, and I will definitely have a cut list for this available shortly on Etsy, and there may be one or two custom parts you can actually order from me that you may need to make this a little bit easier when you do it for yourself. Just wanted to show you it today really because it's working really well, really easy to use. So yeah, let's just have a quick look. So the great thing about using it with a Festool router is you can just lift it out and it's done. Simple as that. So the difference between this and some of the other ones is this cannot come up and down. So this machine is locked, so you don't have to put any pressure down at all. So that's it in action. There's plenty of room for improvement. This is literally the first one I've built, but at the moment I've spent very little money on this profile. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to do an update, much more in depth with the plans and hopefully the cradle system available as well. My one will be for the Festool, but you could have one and drill it yourself. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.